What kinds of compensation are available in a catastrophic personal injury claim? Under personal injury law, you can claim compensation for all damages suffered as a result of the accident and injury. First and foremost, these damages cover reimbursement for any out-of-pocket costs spent as a result of injury. This includes everything from medical bills to the cost of a rental car replacement. In addition, it covers the costs of any current, ongoing, or future medical treatments, including medicine and physical therapy, to help you recover. One of the biggest sources of compensation in catastrophic injury cases is lost wages, including future earnings forgone because of the injury and any disability. Finally, there is an amount added for your non-economic harms, notably the pain and suffering endured by you and your family. Without a personal injury attorney, it is unlikely you will know all the different costs you are eligible to get personal injury compensation for. California personal injury lawyers Brian Lamb and Richard Frischer will see that you obtain the full and fair compensation you deserve after any injury. Go to www.lflawfirm.com to book a consultation to discuss your injury and claim.